What does financial freedom really mean? It's not just about being rich. It's about having the money, time, and peace of mind to live life on your terms. Imagine waking up every day not worrying about bills, debt, or whether you'll have enough to retire. This isn't a dream. It's possible. And today we're going to explore the exact lessons from 10 billionaire mentors who have proven it with their own lives. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap of practical steps to achieve financial freedom based on the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki, Dave Ramsey, Suze Orman, Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett, Napoleon Hill, Ramit Sethi, Tony Robbins, J.L. Collins, and Peter Lynch. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, teaches that the path to wealth is not about how much money you make, but how much you keep and how effectively you use it to acquire assets. Assets are things that put money into your pocket: rental properties, businesses, investments. Liabilities, on the other hand, take money out: loans, luxury cars, consumer debt. If you want financial freedom, focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income. Don't just work for money, make money work for you. Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy is simple: debt is the enemy of freedom. You cannot build wealth if you're constantly paying interest to banks. He recommends the debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debts first, then roll that momentum into paying larger ones. This creates psychological wins that keep you motivated. Once you are debt-free, channel that freed-up money into savings, investments, and long-term security. True wealth begins when you stop making banks richer and start building your own fortune. Suze Orman emphasizes that before you think about investing, you need to protect yourself financially. That means having an emergency fund of at least 8 to 12 months of expenses. It means securing insurance, health, disability, and life to guard against financial disaster. Suze's lesson is clear: financial freedom isn't just about building wealth, it's about protecting the wealth you already have. Known as the father of value investing, Benjamin Graham taught Warren Buffett and many others how to analyze investments deeply. His principle is simple: never speculate, always invest with a margin of safety. That means buying stocks and businesses at less than their true value, so you're protected even if things go wrong. Financial freedom requires not just investing, but investing wisely, making calculated moves that balance reward with safety. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, lives in the same modest house he bought in the 1950s. His message: financial freedom isn't about showing off wealth, it's about keeping it. Warren Buffett also stresses patience. He once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." So live below your means, invest consistently, and let time compound your wealth. In his classic book, Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill revealed that financial success starts in the mind. Belief, clarity of goals, and persistence are key ingredients. Hill interviewed over 500 of the most successful people of his time. His conclusion: those who achieve financial freedom do so because they believe it's possible, set definite goals, and take relentless action. Without the right mindset, even the best financial strategies will fail. Ramit Sethi, author of I Will Teach You to Be Rich, emphasizes that money isn't just about saving or investing, it's about designing a life you love. He introduces the concept of conscious spending. Cut ruthlessly on things you don't care about and spend extravagantly on what truly matters to you. Financial freedom isn't about being frugal in every area, but about using money as a tool to create joy and purpose. Tony Robbins, through his research with the world's top financial minds, teaches the importance of diversification and automation. Diversification means spreading your money across multiple asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, so that no single downturn destroys your finances. Automation means setting up systems where saving and investing happen without you needing to think about it. This eliminates procrastination and builds wealth steadily over time. J.L. Collins, author of The Simple Path to Wealth, believes that financial freedom doesn't have to be complicated. His advice: buy low-cost index funds that track the market and hold them for the long term. Over time, markets rise, And this simple strategy has outperformed most active investors. Simplicity, discipline, and patience are the cornerstones of his philosophy. Peter Lynch, legendary fund manager of the Magellan Fund, grew it from $18 million to $14 billion in 13 years. His advice? Invest in what you understand. If you know a business, product, or industry deeply, you're more likely to make smart investment decisions. Financial freedom doesn't require chasing the next big thing. It requires knowledge, patience, and consistent decision-making. Let's recap the roadmap to financial freedom from these 10 mentors. Acquire assets, not liabilities. Get out of debt. Protect yourself with savings and insurance. Invest wisely and safely. Live below your means. Master your mindset. Spend consciously on what matters. Diversify and automate your wealth building. Keep it simple with index funds. Invest in what you know best. If you apply even a fraction of these lessons, your financial future will transform. Financial freedom isn't a quick fix. It's a journey that requires patience, discipline, and courage. But the good news is, you can start today. Ask yourself, what's one small change you can make right now? Paying off a debt, starting an emergency fund, or reading one of these mentors' books? Take action. And remember, freedom doesn't come from waiting for the perfect time. It comes from starting now.
Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this.